Tired of laggy lobbies ruining your Vrchat fun? This video will show you how to find and block those Crasher avatars. First, open your main menu and click on the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Now, navigate to the safety tab. This is where we'll find the tools to manage avatar visibility. Scroll down until you see the avatar content section. Make sure Show Performance Ranks is enabled. This is crucial for spotting potentially problematic avatars. Now, in the public world, keep an eye out for avatars with a very poor or red performance ranking. These are most likely to cause lag. When you see one, right-click on the avatar. A context menu will appear. Select Show Avatar Details. The Avatar Details window will appear. At the bottom of this window, click the Block Avatar button. This will prevent the avatar from being loaded in your view. And that's it. You have successfully blocked the Crasher avatar. Enjoy a less laggy Vrchat experience.